All right, my NFT fam, hold the line here. Last week I said when Bitcoin ETFs are approved, well, it's not great for NFTs in the short term because crypto prices up or down and the instability that's going to bring, well, in the short term, that's going to make NFT traders throttle back exactly what we're seeing right now. But I'll tell you what, we're starting to see collectors collect, new mints come out and sell out and rock on secondary markets. That blast $1 billion+ unlock, man, that's going to be here before you know it. Now, guys, we got a lot to get to today. We'll talk about what collections are moving in the market. So let's dive right into inside NFTs, taking a look at the Forkast 500 NFT index. You can see this morning we're down in the red 1.07%. The Ethereum NFT market's up 0.54% in the past 24 hours. Solana and Polygon not faring quite as well, but Cardano also up over 0.5%. Yesterday's NFT sales coming in at 38.7 mil, and a quick disclaimer here, we're working on our Bitcoin tracking. I think you'd be safe to add another 5, 6, or 7 million to that total there. And on CryptoSlam.io, you can see who's moving the markets this morning. The Gas Hero Common Heroes at the top. They're followed by the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Dokyo. Azuki on fire recently. We're going to talk about them in a moment. Capsules Gen 0, Open Soul Map, BRC20 collection here. Gas Hero items, the incredibly hot Tin Fund, and those incredible Counter-Strike gaming skins on D-Market, rounding out the top 10 for us. CryptoPunk number 8270, that's our top sale of the past 24 hours. Selling for 86.9 ETH, that's $221,000. And Tin Fund, just one of those perfect indicators to show us traders are ready to spend and speculate on NFTs. In just 3 days, $5.8 million on the secondary market. That is a hot collection, and again, a great sign for where we're at in NFTs. Now, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, you might be aware, but their floor price has been suffering tremendously over the past few weeks. Well, yesterday, somebody swooped in and grabbed 21 Bored Apes, and that sweep helped push the floor price of the Bored Apes back up to 25 ETH. And just like the Ethereum index was reflecting here at the start of the show, well, you can see floor prices really starting to come up in the past day. Now, until Bitcoin really starts running again, I don't expect a ton of movement here, but keep watching the numbers, keep watching those floor prices, and keep watching sales over on CryptoSlam. And just like Tin Fund's a great indicator of where collectors' heads are at right now, well, you also had that Shadows collection that minted on Bitcoin last week. Well, one of those bidders was selected to pick out his Shadow hat, that sub 1K Ordinal. And guys, in pure degen fashion, that winner's turning around and selling that Ordinal immediately. So you got Dota announcing the winner, and then in Discord congratulating the guy. His reply immediately, thanks man, I'm selling it. And I even heard John's got a multi-Bitcoin offer on this, so GG John, my goodness. Guys, those Quantum Cats are coming next week, and I gotta remind you, this is something you do not want to miss. So one of the devs dropped a really in-depth technical thread on that collection. This collection using those recursive ordinals, pre-signed transaction, symmetric cryptography, I don't even know what that means, guys. It's all just a technical way of saying these Quantum Cats, those pictures are going to evolve over time. So while Bitcoin doesn't have smart contracts like you have on Ethereum and other blockchains, ordinals and inscriptions are most definitely programmable. There's a lot you're going to do with these, and there's a lot more that's in store. Right now, Sotheby's is even getting in on that Bitcoin ordinal action. They have a curated sale right now. They're selling artworks, they're selling rare sats. And guys, that ecosystem just hit 55 million inscriptions last night. Huge milestone. Now, all that talk about Bitcoin, and at the same time, we got stuff cooking over on Ethereum. Remember, Azuki announced that anime project, but they got a whole heck of a lot more cooking. So yeah, on top of anime, Azuki's going hard into the physical space too. And then an announcement about a game featuring their beans. They also have a new collector status and a collector score for people in their ecosystem. Okay, it's definitely time for NFT LDR. We're gonna blitz through the rest of our stories here, starting with Nike's .swoosh, who now's letting their collectors of those digital shoes and posters. Well, soon you can pull those NFTs from the .swoosh wallet right over to your favorite wallet, and you can trade those then on secondary markets. Next, that Yuga Labs versus Ryder and Pauly lawsuit feels like that's coming to a close here. A special masters recommended that the defendants, Ryder and Pauly, well, they gotta pay something like $9 million over to Yuga Labs. Pauly here saying he sent over that 9 mil, probably just being a smartass. Either way, nice that Yuga Labs can finally move on from this, put the focus back on their community where it really needs to be. Oh boy, how about this one here? GameStop now putting an end to their NFT marketplace. This is just a few months after they put an end to their crypto wallet. I'll tell you what, if you don't believe in it, we don't want you, and at the same time, we know you're gonna be coming back. And finally, some art updates to end the show. Kevin Abosch revealing his new collection over on Bitcoin. Man, awesome looking collection, if that's the one getting inscribed. And with a giant seizure warning here, guys, for real, cover your eyes if you're sensitive. Refik Anadol announced that his studio built a large nature model. It's an open source generative AI model that's focused on nature. Remember, he's the artist behind that stunning Winds of Yawanawa collection. Well, his new project's called Dataland, and right now he's showing off Dataland at the World Economic Forum, so big stage for this big artist. So you can head to dataland.art smart and see what this is all about. Save your eyes in the meantime, too. All right, guys, I know it's cold outside, but we're simmering here in NFTs, getting ready to crank that heat up over the next few weeks. And as that happens, you know right where I'll be, right here with Inside NFTs, bringing you the latest in the market, all the NFT happenings. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see ya.